I welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. So today let's start with tuple. What tuple exactly means and how we can create tuple, how it works with indexing, slicing, and we will see some of the built-in function of tuple. So let's begin. So see, tuple is a collection of items. Again, tuple is a container type data type. It can contain items of data type such as just like integer, float, string, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dictionary. Okay, you have to keep in mind tuples are enclosed by parentheses or you can say round bracket. The items in tuple are comma separated, just like we already saw in list, in set, just like that. Every item will be comma separated. Takes less memory as compared to list. This is all about tuple. So let's see how we can create tuple. So this is how I given one variable name, that is tuple1, and equals to I'm assigning some integer values in round bracket, and this is how you can initiate or create tuple. So I have created tuple. Now I will execute it and it is giving us that tuple exactly. So here, for making sure, you can do one thing. If you want to check type of this tuple one, you can check. See here, it is showing us tuple. So it means this tuple one is having tuple. All right. So how indexing and slicing work for tuple, we will see. I'm considering over here the same variable and I'm checking some values of it. All right. So we will see at -1 position what is present. 5. Correct one. So after that 0th position we are having 1. For 2th position, yeah, we are having 3. Likewise, if we will perform slicing, so here I'm passing in square bracket that colon and that 5. It means you have to give me, means this tuple have to give all the values till 5. 5 should be the last element over here. So it is giving us here all the values us. And over here, if I'm saying 2, after that colon, and then I'm not giving any value over here, it means after 2 it have to means gives us all the values which are present in tuple. See 3, 4, 5. So we will see how for loop work for tuple. So I'm simply taken second tuple, that is a variable containing tuple2 name, and it is containing some integer values. All right, and I'm saying over here for I in tuple2 print I. Just I'm simple using for loop. All right, and now these are one by one, right? So it is, they means every value is present on new line. So what we will do, I will make sure that it will be present in one line. So over here I'm saying comma and equals to, it have to separate it by space and we will execute it. So here we got the result as we want. Understood? So these are some of the built-in functions of a tuple. All right. So we will see how the sorted, reversed, mean, max, and sum will work for tuple. So we will execute this all function on the same tuple 2. So let's check out sorted of tuple 2. Yeah, it is already sorted, so it won't affect that much. All right. So we will see second, it's reversed, how it will be work. So here it given us reverse tuple. After that, we are checking for minimum value of that reverse, then maximum value of that reverse, and sum of that total, means values which are present in tuple. This is all about tuple. Try to explore in tuple. If you won't able to explore, just go through this video, try to understand it. Tuple is not that much complex topic, and this is the main part of tuple. That's what I totally covered over here. And if possible, try to cover difference between tuple and list. So this is also main question which is asked by interviewer. Yeah, that's it. All right. So this is all about today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. Till the time, bye bye. See you soon.